Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make daisy flower on the scarf or any kind of surface you can choose by yourself, and I'm using Fevicryl acrylic colors for drawing or painting. I'm going to make this flower on the scarf. So this is silk based, and you can see how can I make a one by one petal base of the flower with white color, and after then I use some yellow color to enhance its middle area. See, and some of the brown color. Just make a fine strokes with your any kind of brush you can handle. You can use flat as well as any round brush, and I just make some, I use some dark brown color mixing with any black, and you can see I am making some leaves very quickly. This is very simple flower, as you can see. And if you have any doubts while making this, you can ask me by commenting. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Ting tangs.